Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fairunisa. I am a student of Pancasakti University. Okay, my friend, in this presentation, we will discuss about next. Some people think that formal education should start for children as early as possible, while others think that it should not start until 7 years of age. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Next. Education is the cornerstone of individual future and community development. Many people often argue that formal education starts as early, while some oppose that which should be start after the preschool time. However, in this easy explain about the education starting criteria and stage, my opinion of early formal education benefits than late study. Next. In this modern era, education has become one of the most relevant area of study. Distinguished figures like scientists and professors frequently get together in debates and other events to discuss the impact of education in large population. Eventually, there are different opinions regarding when a person should start the formal education. One set argues that children should study formally from a very young age, while the others believe that the appropriate age to start formal education is 7 years old. Some of the consequence in psychological and professional aspect will be present in the following. Next. Psychological children are very capable of learning in young age. For example, uh, there are diverse studies showing that kids are better in acquiring a new language than adults. However, the methods used to teach a child should be distinct to changes and so on. Researchers have shown that children's uh, cognitive function works in a different way, and Ludic activity have person higher results in developing aspects such as motoric coordination, attention, and explanation of vocabulary. For example, playing with dolls can encourage children to create various situations through imagination, resulting the development of creativity. Next. On the other hand, to learn creativity using formal education, children would be exposed, for example, to psychological tests, repetitive trainings, and learning by examples. What could result in stress, anxiety, and disappointment when failing in this exercise. Next. Today's challenging living situation, they believe that the early a student starts his formal education, The early he can start fighting with this adverse situation, both in case of educational success and in the field of career hunt. Next, parents should let their children learn their own and pace. Some argue that setting academic learning at very early is better, while others believe it is better to begin in later years. Personal view is it is better to attend them to school in on or after age 7. Next. To begin with, today's highly competitive world, most parents urge their children to participate in primary education, believing without systematic learning and teaching methods in very early life, they will be unable to achieve success. There is no doubt and proper academic qualification is necessary to attain a better profession and quality life. If not, they will be left behind and helplessly. So people fear that education will destroy their little one's life. Next. On the one hand, many debate that children are allowed to start education during their enjoyable days with family and siblings. After the age of 7 years, people may have confidence to go to school and ability to learn numerous syllabus. During this period, children learn to do things alone and interact with others' friends unlikely to behave like strangers inside the school faculty and CEO students owing to the fact that people ensure the advantage of being home physically and psychologically by the support of either grandparents or caregivers. Next. Undoubtedly, education is a very important aspect in people's life. Nevertheless, caution regarding learning strategies and timing must be included in the equation. There are good chances from starting early. Next. After analyzing both fields in detail, an early start of formal education is the recommendation of today's scenario. I feel it is better to follow children at least 2 years gap after their toddler stage. Next. Okay, maybe this the last. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.